You know, when we talk about this sleep case, you talk about the gateway that you get into, and I think that it went very, very, very well. I think that the questions by the court were timely, they were pointed. I think we were very prepared for this case. I feel confident about the outcome in this case. I think that we showed some innocence enough to get through that gateway, and of course to consider the underlying claims, the Brady claims, as well as the ineffective assistance of counsel claims at trial. And I'm confident that Mr. Reed will get relief. Our position is that if the jury at the time of the trial had an opportunity to view all of the evidence that we now know exists, they would have made a different decision. I mean, David Hall was Mr. Fennell's best friend. We can put Mr. Fennell at the scene of the crime. We can put Mr. Hall at the scene of the crime with his DNA on the beer can right across from the body. We can also put Mr. Fennell out of bed when he said he was home asleep by the side of the road arguing with Stacey Stites with Ms. Barnett's testimony. And so that simply blows away the state's case that Mr. Fennell could not have done it, that he was home asleep, and that he may have, if he had to do it, he had to do it by himself. From all accounts, Rodney is very encouraged that he has, at least for the first time in his life, some really good lawyers representing him. And he is confident with what we have done so far, especially at the evidentiary hearing that was conducted about 2 years ago. So he's encouraged with the level of his representation, and he's encouraged that he'll be found innocent of these charges. I would say that what happened was very tragic for Stacey, but I don't think any family member would want the wrong person punished for the offense. And I think they would want to have the true murderer of their daughter brought to justice. And what we're saying is it really is not Rodney Reed.
I spoke to the victims that were brought in during the punishment phase of it. I looked women in the face and said, "This man raped me." One girl was 12 years old. He is charged with that, and he will not be set free. Even if he gets set free on this one, there's many cases against him. There are a lot of women that haven't gotten justice.
What's your name, ma'am?
Debra Oliver. D-E-B-R-A-O-L-I-D-E-R.
And your state sister?
Yes.
You were obviously in the hearing. What was your reaction? How did you think it went?
I think the state did a great job, just like they always have. They've done an awesome job of presenting the evidence and showing that they did a really good job in investigating.